Ready? Welcome everybody. I'm so excited today. I'm going to start one of a three-part series on how you guys are going to make your own bird feeders. Now these are made out of red dogwood, which is a native plant to Minnesota, which means it's always grown here in Minnesota. I've made a couple different kinds. Put some oranges in them. Birds love oranges. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go to a trail and find some dogwood. You can find this dogwood at any trail or park. You might even have it in your own backyard. So what you're going to need, you'll need a bucket and clippers for the branches. Okay, now you younger kids might want a little help from mom and dad, so keep that in mind. Okay, ready, set, let's go. So here we are. We're just down the trail from my house. I've got a baseball field over here, a biking trail up here. Got a little water. Dogwood loves water, and as you can see, it's all over. There's red and there's some yellow here too I'm going to cut. So what I'd like to do is find the new growth. You can tell old growth, it's not as clean. It's got some warts on there. The new stuff is super shiny red and it's super flexible, and that's what we want. So I'm going to cut a lot of dogwood, maybe 15 to 20 branches. And I like some of the thick stuff and the thin stuff. Doesn't matter if it's super straight or not. Just takes a few minutes to cut these. Just be careful. And I like to cut them pretty long, so if I need that extra size, I have it. Okay, so we got good stuff here. I also like to find ones with the kind of the V pattern in there too. Just enough to fill up your bucket should be good. You know, this is all new here coming off this main branch, so this will be nice and red. Keep my bucket over here. Got some good stuff back here. This stuff is right next to this little creek. It's super nice and new growth. So we'll cut some of that off. That comes off real nice. Alright, so we just got back from the park. Got a good full bucket of dogwood. That's full. That only took me probably just a few minutes to collect all that. And remember, you can find that at any park or any trail, just off the trail. We'll get that link set up on the website. You guys can find it. This will be part 1, and I'll put out part 2 sometime next week. Okay? See you next time. Bye.